Hey guys, we are in Louisiana. Matter of fact, the name of the place is called Balls, Louisiana. And I see Outlaw BBQ. So I'm want some barbecue. First we was gonna get Popeyes, but I think we better try that barbecue joint. So stay tuned. Nice friendly place. Pretty big. Stay tuned. Alright, this is my order from the Outlaw BBQ joint. I have the ribs, string beans, and the baked beans. Now, hold on a second. Let me see how tender this meat is. Very tender. I'm gonna enjoy this. So, if you're in Pineville, Louisiana, off 165, you could check out the Outlaw BBQ. I'm about to dig in and tear this up. Catch you guys on the next one.